Mabuhay everyone! I'm Rosa and welcome to another episode of Fiesta Filipinas Season 2. This month, we're celebrating the Philippine Independence through the Wagayway Festival of Imus, Cavite.
Imus is known as the flag capital of the Philippines. The city gained the capital tag as it was during the Battle of Alapan where the Filipino revolutionaries led by Emilio Aguinaldo won against the Spaniards on May 28, 1898. In celebration for this victory, the Philippine flag was first waved during the Declaration of Independence on June 12, 1898 in Cavite. The Wagayway Festival is a reminder to the people that the core of the celebration is love and respect for the Philippine flag, which symbolizes freedom and love for the country.
To join the festivities, the Philippine Consul General of Melbourne sent a Fiesta Kit to me and my fellow friends from the Australian Filipino Heritage Foundation Incorporated, Filipino Association of Monash, and FASCO, Filipino Australian Students Council of Victoria. So now I'm going to show you what's inside the Fiesta Kit. First, we have the invitation card that has all the details of the Zoom meeting and a brochure of It's More Fun in the Philippines. Next, we have the Capiteño Drip Coffee. Oh, can't wait to taste this. And then we have the Jacobina Biscuit. Let's try it. Next, we have the mushroom chips. Let's try it. Ang sarap. Barbecue flavor. And the next one is one of my favorites. It's the Bibingka Rice Cake Ready Mix. Now next we have a bottle, and this one is Simoy Capiteño. Let's try to smell it. Smells like coffee. It's like you're in a coffee shop. And then we have the Aguinaldo Shrine ref magnet. And last but not the least is a DIY Aguinaldo Shrine diorama with a set of crayons and stick glue. Next, our dear friend Carlos will quickly show us how to make the diorama.
Pop out and color the pre-cut buildings, flag, and trees. Then fold and glue the parts together. And these are our finished products.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new today. I can't help but to admire the bravery of our revolutionaries, and that makes me proud to be a Filipino. Okay, that's all for today. Happy Wagayway Festival! Bye!
Fiesta Filipinas!